Hello dear Web3 developers. Today I decided to shoot a quick video and tell you my secret how I managed to create a list of hundreds of prospects in 5 minutes and just a couple of clicks. This allowed me to save around 90% on list building, and I hope this is going to be helpful for you too. So let's play this scenario. You are a business developer that just got hired for a gaming tool company. So you sell something to Web3 games. Now, what do? If I was you, I would go to a website like DepRadar or any other website that gives you an overview of the ecosystem or gives you a list of all the games. And then you, for example, let's take in DepRadar, but it's gonna work for any website, so don't worry about it. It doesn't have to be just DepRadar. The tool that I'm gonna share you works with everything. You can scrape it with it, everything. So you sell to games. And let's say you sell on Ethereum. You can filter out by different blockchains. You can see different filters. So you can play around with it so to see only companies that you want to see. And then you need to go to the clay.com and sign up for an account. They have a free version and get their extension. This is the one. And what you're gonna do next? Instead of scraping all of this information on your own manually or paying somebody to do this for you like a virtual assistant, you don't have to do this anymore. You can do this all programmatically. You click here, boom, and the data is here. So instead of going through every company, copying the name, copying the links, copying everything, you have 26, here is 26 rows, and exactly here we have 25 companies. And going through this, you can see that it has images, it has links, it has everything. It has the name, it has the chain where it's based, it has the category, it has different metrics that you might use. And this is just an example. So what you're gonna do next, you click export. You can download this as CSV. You can copy this to a clipboard, and it's basically both ways for you to paste this data into your CRM or to paste it into your Google Sheet or into any place where you want to prospect. And or you can even add this to the workspace, and we can cover this later on, how to use Clay for prospecting, because you see their logo is prospect differently. It's really prospect different. It's gonna 10x all of your efforts. It's like ChatGPT for writing emails, but way better. So it's gonna reduce a lot of headache and create you a lot of time in the day. So you copy this data and you paste it whenever you need. And just to show how this works on different websites, let's go to Defilama. And here we have basically some kind of a list that we want to scrape. You click on Clay again, and boom, again, Clay sees everything. So the first is Lido, okay. And here is the data, it's even in a better format. Sorry, oops. The point here is I urge you and I recommend you to use this tool to try it out and see how this works for you. You can scrape anything. You can scrape ecosystem websites, news websites, this kind of websites, DepRadar websites, basically anything that's gonna help you to create a better list that will work for you. You can try scraping LinkedIn with it. I never tried. It might actually work. For example, you have a 25 people profile list. It's gonna create you the name, the link to your profile. That's gonna be super helpful. And that was it. That was my secret. I recommend you to use it and let me know how it goes. I'm waiting for your subscription. Subscribe to YouTube, guys. Subscribe to YouTube and like this video because we need to move this type of content. And I'm waiting for your comments in the community. That's for it. That's the juice for you. Let's go.